everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. So today I'm taking you on a little shop with me at Aldi grocery store, one of my favorite places to shop. I noticed the last time that I was grocery shopping there that they were kind of sprinkling in some Christmassy items throughout the store, and I thought you'd like to take a closer look with me. So today's kind of a late fall, early holiday shop with me. So I'm starting with some seasonal decor. They have these really cute throw pillows that came out probably a week or two ago. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies. They have this wagon filled with cute pumpkins and give thanks with a grateful heart. And these would all be perfect for Thanksgiving. This is something that I really like about Aldi. They're always giving you seasonal items during that actual season. You don't have to buy them months in advance. So if you're still looking for any decorations for Thanksgiving, you can still find them here. My store still had a nice selection of fall wall decor too. You've got the double-sided large signs, the little kind of shadow box style signs. I really love these round wooden signs that say fall or welcome. There might be other patterns too. I didn't dig into that second box. I feel like I saw a third pattern possibly in their ad. And then they have the cinnamon scented pine cones and really cute fabric wrapped pumpkins too. There were still some fall candles on display, but I also saw the Christmas candles. There's holiday cranberry, first snow, and winter balsam, and they are in a single wick or 3-wick size. The single wick is only $2.49, and the 3-wick, which is very comparable to Bath & Body Works, is only $3.99. And then they also had winter scents in their timber wick candles, which have kind of a wooden wick that crackles as it burns. I also saw these faux birch LED candles, and Aldi always has really nice decorative lanterns, and they're well under $10 and a good size too. And then these fall wreaths are new just in the past week. I also spotted a few seasonal doormats too. Typically this time of year, Aldi will release some of these breakfast breads. They're a little bit denser than their regular bread. I don't love the texture, but the flavors are always so appealing. They have apple strudel and marble cinnamon flavored, and I think these are best for French toast. I spotted fresh cranberries for 99 cents a bag, which you can wash and dry and then freeze and save either for Thanksgiving or Christmas if you need them for a homemade cranberry sauce. And they also had fresh pomegranates for a great price, $1.79 a piece. I actually have a delicious cranberry sauce recipe that I'll link for you in the description box below. You sprinkle fresh pomegranate seeds all over the top. It's amazing. In the refrigerator case, I found almond eggnog, and then right next to it, they had classic eggnog too. Comment below, do you drink eggnog? I love it. I also wanted to highlight these Greek yogurts, which have been around for a couple months now, but they are my favorite seasonal flavors. They have maple, apple cinnamon, and pumpkin pie. In December, you're probably going to see cranberry eggnog and mint chocolate chip yogurts. Those are usually the Christmassy seasonal flavors that they'll come out with. I also saw these sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls, which I'm honestly not sure if they have year-round or not, but they sounded super tasty. So next are the items that made me want to film this video in the first place. These are seasonally flavored goat cheeses. We have sweet cranberry stuffing, eggnog, and gingerbread. Comment below if you would buy these and what you would serve these with. Would you put them on a graham cracker or regular cracker? I'm just not sure. The cranberry stuffing flavor has sugar, cranberries, and garlic powder in it, and I'm not really sold on that, but I thought the gingerbread sounded intriguing, so I might buy that in the future. Next up, I saw these Vermont Creamery goat cheese dips. I love the packaging here, and they have garlic and herb, classic, and red pepper with lemon. These olive spreads are new at my store too. There's Dirty Martini, which is green olives, blue cheese, and cream cheese, and then the Greek olive spread, which has Kalamata olives, roasted red peppers, and feta. I love trying their specialty pastas in the refrigerator section. So butternut squash and pumpkin and sage ravioli are both delicious. The pumpkin and sage one in particular is really beautiful too when you serve it. They also have basil and pine nut and goat cheese and caramelized onion ravioli. Now, they didn't have that second one in my store anymore, but it's in my freezer right now, so I know it exists. I also saw the shrimp and crab ravioli in the freezer case, and that sounded kind of decadent for the holidays. These were a new product I had never seen before. It's these thick cut cheeses, and they're both a blend of flavors. So the first is sharp cheddar, American, and Swiss, and the other one is a pizza blend with mozzarella and smoked provolone. I'm not exactly sure what the appeal is of the thick cut shredded cheese, but I thought it was interesting and it's new. Another Aldi find that returns year after year at Christmas time is their peppermint mocha almond milk creamer. And if you're still looking for fall flavors, my store still had the pumpkin spice creamer in the refrigerator case too. Oftentimes, Aldi releases these internationally inspired products. So this Journey to Poland Polish sausage looked really good. It's very thick cut. I've seen products Journey to Thailand, Journey to Greece, Journey to India, just all different new flavor profiles. So those are kind of fun to check out. I also saw these Tilts yogurt, so it's their indulgent Greek yogurt. I'm assuming that's full fat. They had blueberry vanilla and chocolate cherry. In the freezer section, there were several new roasted vegetable side dishes that are perfect for the fall and particularly for your Thanksgiving table. So I saw a roasted sweet potato blend along with Mediterranean vegetables. There were Brussels sprouts with balsamic glaze and bacon, green beans with cashews and miso sauce. And then I turned around and behind me in the freezer case, kind of on the floor, were 5 other flavors. So there's another sweet potato blend that had cinnamon sugar, butternut squash blend with kale and pomegranate seeds, and then a few different flavors of seasoned potatoes too. Every year at this time, Aldi sells duck. So this is a whole duck in the freezer section. It comes with an orange sauce. I'm not sure if this is a good price. It's $2.69 per pound, but I'm not sure that you can find this everywhere, so that's kind of a unique product. I also was looking in the meat case, and I don't know if these are new or if they're there all the time, but I saw ground bison, ground lamb, lamb shoulder chops, and a meatloaf mix, which was a combination of ground beef, pork, and veal. So these, again, are kind of unique products. I'm not sure if they carry them all year round, but I'm never usually looking for these things. So next time you're in Aldi, maybe take a closer look at the meat case. There might be some interesting new things to try there. There's always some kind of specialty French fry in the freezer case, and right now it's waffle fries. My store also had an end cap dedicated to Thanksgiving stuffing. So there's the Hawaiian stuffing mix, which has a sweeter flavor, and then the classic stuffing mix with a variety of flavor options, plus gluten-free. And then they have the big bags of dried stuffing mix. They also have beef and chicken broth and huge cans of cream of chicken soup. I like to hunt for specialty flavors of granola when I'm at Aldi, and this time I found pumpkin spice and harvest granola. In years past, they had these coffee flavors that were incredible. The caramel macchiato was so good. The only problem is they don't always bring these flavors back. So if you try one that you really like, buy a bunch because you might not see it again on the shelves. My kids have really been loving these dried pastas. I think there's 4 different varieties, and some of them come in these really fun rainbow colors. They're $1.99 per package, but they're over a pound of pasta. So I think that's a pretty good deal for these specialty pastas. They also have spinach and garden herb tagliatelle, which is like a thick cut noodle. These are dried, and then right next to them I also noticed truffle-filled ravioli too. These amaretto and bourbon pecan K-cups were new at my store. They also had these really pretty bottles of Welch's sparkling juice. So there's white and red grape juice and then sparkling apple cider too. And I thought the packaging was really sleek and kind of fancy and would be great for giving as a gift. These looked really tasty. They are pecan tarts and pumpkin pie tarts. And then below that, I found pumpkin snickerdoodle and classic snickerdoodle cookies. These specialty selected all butter croissants are brand new. I've never seen these before at my store. They're giant. There's 4 in a package. Some other breakfasty seasonal items they have right now are pumpkin spice muffins, apple cinnamon muffins, and this really yummy looking pumpkin bread. I love a good crumb topping. And speaking of crumb topping, they also had these really cute cinnamon cream cheese coffee cake bites, and they didn't have them at my store, but evidently they come in a pumpkin flavor too. Every year they bring out tons of specially selected products for charcuterie boards or cheese boards, including a bunch of Italian meats and crackers, breadsticks, and a variety of stuffed olives. And this year, some of the new items were this fig jam and plum jam, and then also this 4-pack sampler sounded delicious. Fig and honey, pear and cinnamon, cherry and rosemary, and apricot and cumin. And of course, you could buy this and give it as a gift or break it apart and give it as 4 gifts. A lot of the items on this shelf I think are really good for gift giving. These infused olive oils caught my eye. I'm not sure if they're new this year, but I thought they were unique. Chili infused and rosemary infused. Plus they had a huge jar of stone ground mustard, onion chutney, red pepper jelly, and last but not least, they have cornichons, which are little kind of gourmet pickles. So there is a wide variety of items to choose from here. Plus, of course, you can go back to the refrigerator case and look at all their amazing cheeses back there too. Last but not least, I wanted to show you the ad for this week. The advent calendars are coming. So most of them have 24 days. There's chocolates, toys, crafts, even advent calendars for your pets. So something to add to your list for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Ann's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my Aldi Shop With Me today. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I'll see you again soon.